So guys, this was the first shirt I used the first time. They gave me in the meeting. This is the second shirt. And right now, this is the second shirt for ABUJA IGBO Festival. Take. Give me the lighter and give me the kerosene. I'm going to burn it now because you don't mess around my brand. So many people have seen. 21,000 people saw a post I did that I'm going to be the co-MC of the brand. Juice, you are a bastard and you are a betrayer. Juice, you are a bastard. And I'm going to follow this up with evidence. If you say it's a lie, I have evidence. You went to Lagos, Juice. You went to Lagos. You didn't like how Lagos hangout went. You came back to Abuja to start saying they messed up. They did not prepare. You started mocking them. And I told you that this is an Igbo thing. Anything that affects the Igbos affects everyone. I told you, is that the crime I committed, Juice? Mr. Juice, is that the crime I committed? I just want to know, Mr. Juice. Is that the crime I committed? Or that I asked you that you guys should have given me an award based on my contributions to Igbo land and my culture promotions and everything? No, because I'm not a billionaire. Why should they give me an award? You're after money. You're not after integrity. You are not after integrity. I'm going to burn this whole nonsense. I'm burning it. So I'm going to burn it. Nobody should tag me to anything ABUJA IGBO Festival again. Don't tag me. I'm not going to. As far as it is all for entertainment, I am not going to be part of it. I'm not going to be part of it. If it's all for entertainment, I'm not going to be part of it. I bought it. I'm not part of it. I'm not going to be part of it. Are you pained? Somebody will say, are you pained, Choma? I am pained. I told you guys one thing. I don't fight by tribe. I don't fight by tribe. I fight people based on what they do to me. I can never fight you by tribe. I don't care. And to think that because it's an Igbo thing, I'm not going to talk about it. I'm going to exclude the Igbo out of it because most people like you are bastards. You know what you do? You're a backstabber and a greedy human being. Because of money, you can throw away trust. You don't have any feelings for humanity. You are a bad person. So ladies and gentlemen, good day to you all. This is Chomoji, aka Adandi Igbo. So I'm here to tell you why I did not attend ABUJA IGBO Festival. You guys know that I've been promoting ABUJA IGBO Festival. Now, before I start, if you are in this video and you have seen me promoting ABUJA IGBO Festival on my timeline, please write it down on the comment section because it gets why. Okay? So guys, the organizer of ABUJA IGBO Festival, I mean the owner of that brand, in person of Juice, this human being here, this man, yeah. This person wrote me in February telling me to come and join their committee. Yes, because last year when they did ABUJA IGBO Festival last year, I was the co-host under a brand called Kedu app. Then the brand was one of the brands that sponsored ABUJA IGBO Festival last year. So they called me to be their co-host, which I did it. And that one passed. So this year, this man contacted me in February, told me to join their team as ABUJA IGBO Festival organizers. It was cool since it's Igbo thing. You guys know how I promote Igbo culture. I love to promote Igbo culture. So I love culture, right? So I agreed. In turn, this man also told me that Chioma Oji, I would like you to be a co-MC of ABUJA IGBO Festival event. I said, okay. Without specification, we had our first meeting. Bring that white dress, like inside an nylon, yeah. No, bring it, just bring it. I remember they picked this one. The first meeting we had in ABUJA IGBO Festival. This was the cloth we wore for the first meeting. Stay tuned because this video is going to be very long. First meeting. Subsequent meetings happened and I got this second cloth, ABUJA IGBO Festival. Juice, before I continue this video, Juice, you are a user. Unfortunately, you are manipulative and you are trying to use Igbo people to achieve your greedy aim. Juice, I want you to quote me wrong. Yeah, I want you to quote me wrong, right? So this Mr. Juice, sorry guys, it's raining. I'm actually under the rain right now, but I'm still going to do this video. So this man contacted me, told me, we kept on going on series of meetings. I was actually trying to contact other brands because they were basically looking for sponsors. The first day we had meeting, when I wore that white dress, bring the white dress, this white top. That was the first ever that I've seen this guy. We had meeting. This guy told me to go talk to Bitcoin Chief. Actually, Bitcoin Chief was one of the sponsors of ABUJA IGBO Festival. Guys, it's raining. So Mr. Juice, the reason why you wanted me in your team was just so I can help you talk to Bitcoin Chief to sponsor your program, right? Everything about you is strictly about money. There's no integrity. There's no teamwork. You are so manipulative. Guys, I continued doing this one after the other. I continued. I came for a series of their meetings. Even when they had their contents, guys, I left so many things I was doing. If I lie, I'm under the rain. Guys, I'm under the rain. Let the rain and the water strike me dead. But if not, anybody that will lie on this video, anytime you come under this rain will strike you. And guys, this guy continued. We were doing it February, March, April, May, June, July. June, Mr. Juice, you allowed me to still come and do content. We did pre-videos and all that, all those videos, all the preparations and all that. I asked you along the line because you told me that, don't worry, they will do flyers. This man told me, don't worry, they will do flyers. They will put your face in the flyer. We'll be able to invite people. Because I told him, if you do the flyer, I can put it on my page so that I can invite my people. Guys, guess what? This thing kept on. After one of our videos that we did, guys, this video is going to be long, so I'm going to cut it section by section. I'm coming back because I'll follow this video bit by bit. I'll give you evidence of everything I'm going to say. After attending those meetings, doing everything as they want. So this Mr. Juice contacted me 3 weeks ago, telling me that he was so angry with me. He's very, very angry with me. I'm not promoting the brand. I'm like, I'm not promoting the brand. How do you mean? You asked me to be a co-MC. Did you ask me to put your brand on my page? I put the event on my page. That post got 21,000 views. So many other posts that I'm going to post under this video. You called me to tell me that I'm not promoting the brand well. Just I want to know that I wasn't promoting your brand. Did you ask me? Did you pay me for publicity? No, because you wanted to use me. Good job. The 3 things I know I asked. First of all, I asked him, the people in your committee, do you have any provisions for him? He never answered that question. He told me, don't worry, we'll talk about it. Don't worry, Juice, you told everybody something. Don't worry, it's an Igbo thing. We are all collaborating together to do an Igbo thing. But guess what? Juice, what happened in the end? You told me that this is my brand. I can make any decision I want to make. Now, Mr. Juice, guys, let me tell you what this guy did. After February, March, April, all these times, you waited until July to tell me that you have chosen another person to become your co-MC. That one elder came. That the elder said he has a cousin. Guys, I have evidence. The video is long, but I'm going to share this evidence bit by bit. That the elder came and said he has a cousin. And he's going to... Then he looked up to the girl online. Saw the girl was doing stuff. I asked him, where has the girl been? All this while that Chioma Oji has been there since February. He said the girl has been there low-key. So you removed me as the co-MC of ABUJA IGBO Festival. Me that I've been attending meetings and doing everything and all that. Because of you, because you just employed me as a co-host. You never told me to promote. If I said I don't want to join your committee, no hard feelings. Because I'm just going to do your job and go. You removed me for a lady that I've been working low-key. A lady, are you pained? Somebody will say, are you pained, Chioma? I am pained. I told you guys one thing. I don't fight by tribe. I don't fight by tribe. I fight people based on what they do to me. I can never fight you by tribe. I don't care. And to think that because it's an Igbo thing, I'm not going to talk about it. I'm going to exclude the Igbo out of it because most people like you are bastards. You know what you do? You're a backstabber and a greedy human being. Because of money, you can throw away trust and betray people. You don't have any feelings for humanity. You are a bad person. And let me tell you, it's people like you that destroy Igbo land. Because what you do is, you take money and get corrupt. And at the end of the day, what will you do? You can betray or do anything just because of money. You removed me for a lady that has been low-key. I don't even know her. I don't know what she has done so far. You removed me for that lady just a few weeks before your show. Juice, you are a bastard. And let me tell you, it's my brand you brought out. I use my face to tell people, ladies and gentlemen, I am glad to announce to you that I'm going to be the co-host of ABUJA IGBO Festival. But guy, you had your own plan. You messed up. That was my face. I told you, Chioma Oji is a brand. Chioma Oji is a brand. That was my face you messed around with. So anything all for entertainment, you are just catching cruise. You are saying you are doing ABUJA IGBO Festival. I don't know, because nobody should tag me to any ABUJA IGBO Festival again. If other people who are Igbo people decide to organize their own show, then it's fine. But anything ABUJA IGBO Festival from all for entertainment, I, Chioma, will never go. You removed me that minute and put somebody who has been there low-key. You should be ashamed of your discredibility. You are not honest and you're a backstabber. You were very confident to do it to my brand and you had the mind and the guts to still tell me that we should talk. You are a manipulator. So I'm not going to be part of it. Please, next year, nobody, because a lot of people were writing me, hope you'll be in the show, but they betrayed me. So they played with my brand. You made me do a video telling people that I'll be there. You messed around with my brand. So you did it without thinking. This is Adandi Igbo. You mess around with me, I pay you back. You're a very bad person. You're a betrayer. You don't know. You don't know how to manage people. And you are just after money. You are after only money. Only money. That's what you are after. Look at I've successfully burned the dress. So guys, I've burned the dress. This They told me I'm going to be co-MC. I spent a lot on costumes. Look at the first costume. Guys, look at the first costume. I did it. These costumes were ready. Since March, they were ready. This is the second costume. Few days before an event, Mr. Juice removed me just because an elder said, I have a cousin that can do co-MC. You remove a full brand just because you think that you have successfully gotten Bitcoin cheap to come for your event. You think you can kick me out? You're a bastard and a betrayer.